Hi, to set animated wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy S25, all you have to do is open Settings on the phone. From here, find this tab Wallpaper and Style. Tap it. Then choose to change wallpapers. Scroll all the way down. And here you need to find this tab. In your case, it could be button to get more wallpapers. So just tap it, tap get more wallpapers, and then you'll see that Galaxy Themes app is opened now. So in wallpaper section, use search bar and manually input this phrase live wallpaper. After that, if you don't want to pay for the wallpaper, then from popular switch to top free. And make sure that there is a marking video on wallpaper, which means that it is animated, like live wallpaper. So just pick something from the list. Let's say I want to pick not this, but this one. For that, I need to tap download button, but mine is already downloaded. So let's pick something else, for example, this one. So tap download, wait a few seconds, and then tap apply. Here you can check how it will look on your lock screen. Just tap done. And now let's check it. I'm gonna lock my phone, unlock it, and as you can see, wallpaper is really animated. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.